Welcome to my vlog, another video, another content. Of course, for today's video guys, it is try on haul bra. Okay, so I bought some shoe bra. Okay, ayan, ganito, black and white. Okay, so black and white guys. Unahin muna ito siya. Guys, this one, ang ganda niya, string. Yung isa, normal bra, yung ito, yung string one. Okay, so ganito siya, string siya guys. It's really nice. I like it. Ganito. Ayan, tas may kanyang borda dito guys. There is some borda, ayan. Yung strawberry flower and fruits. Ang ganda niya guys. And string siya, ayan, white naman. So bali ganito siya guys. Ayan. Okay, ganyan siya. So, ang ganda talaga. Ito yung normal bra, sorry. Yan yung normal bra. So, ganito siya. String siya, ang usa, yung normal. And then, actually guys, this is really good to me. I just realized string bras is good for the beach. Like, I mean, kasi hindi ako typical yung tao magsusuot ng ganito string eh. But now, I really like it, okay? So, ganito siya guys. Ayan, ha? Kita nyo, ganda ng kanyang pagkaborda, and pack na pack talaga siya. Pack, ganun. And then, this is for beach. I will go to the beach soon, okay? And, this one, wear this white, okay? So, para naman, makita nyo. Masuot ko siya, kasi marami na akong bra na ganito, okay? Ganito siya. So, ang isa naman guys, this is my everyday wear. Ito, everyday wear siya. This is Avon. Okay. Everyday wear siya. Ganito talaga ang bra ko. Medyo malaki-laki. This is a bit, ito talaga yung kasya sa akin na bra. Okay. Comment below kung ano sa tingin nyo. This is A or B or C. Okay. Kasi hindi ko sasabihin. Like and subscribe to this. You are new to my channel. To this new. Ayan. Please subscribe and comment below, okay? So, tell me guys which one is better, the white one or the black one, okay? So, ganito siya. Avon ni siya, guys. Okay. Ang ganda niya, guys. Good quality also. And kasya talaga sa ganyan kasya sa aking Cocomelon. So, guys, ganito siya. Ayan. Maganda talaga yung kanyang nito. So, nagsuot ako ng black na, pants. So, short. So, you can see, guys, which is better, black or white. Ayan. So, excited na ako isuot ang mga bras na ito. So, let's do this, guys. White or black. Let's do this. Ayan. Pili na lang kayo. And comment heart, guys, if you like my video. Salamat po. So guys, ito na nga yung white. I really like the white one. Ayan, kabog. Ang ganda ng white. I really like it. White is beautiful also guys. Ayan, partner siya dito sa aking shorts. So I can go to the beach like this. Ayan. Or I can wear like a bikini one, right? Oo, ganyan siya. Sorry for my fats. Okay? And then I really like it because, yeah. Maganda siya guys. Diba? Maganda yung kanyang quality is good. Wow. Ang ganda ng white talaga. I really appreciate it. So guys, ayan. Ang daming tama. Need to diet more guys. So, I'm good. This is the black one. Ayan, ang ganda niya. Fit na fit sa akin. Pack. Ang ganda ng guys, black. Ayan, maganda siya. I really like it. Parang black is beautiful talaga. Ayan, yung kanyang fittings dito. Ang ganda. Pati dito sa likod. Ayan, maganda pa. Ganun. O, diba? Maganda talaga siya. Black. Black is beautiful. Ang ganda niya, guys. So, ayan. Para sa akin, white is good. And also, the black one also ay maganda. So, diba? Ayan. Diba guys, maganda siya. Thank you for watching guys. Salamat po.